In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word has run into an error in Windows. Occasionally, Word may stop working and display an error message which can interrupt your workflow and make it difficult to access your documents. Fortunately, there are several straightforward methods to troubleshoot and resolve this issue so you can get back to using Word smoothly. First, try restarting Microsoft Word. Close the application completely and then reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart resolves temporary glitches. If the error persists, check for updates. Open Word, click on the File tab, and go to Account. Under Product Information, select Update Options and click Update Now. Installing the latest updates ensures that any known bugs or compatibility issues are fixed. If updating doesn't solve the problem, run Word in safe mode. Press and hold the Control key while launching Word or type winword/safe and press Enter. Safe mode disables add-ins and custom settings, which are often the cause of errors. If Word opens successfully in safe mode, the issue is likely related to an add-in. You can disable add-ins by going to File, Options, Add-ins, and Managing COM add-ins. Uncheck any suspicious or unnecessary add-ins, then restart Word normally. Another effective method is to repair Microsoft Office. Open the Control panel, go to Programs and Features, locate Microsoft Office in the list, and select Change. Choose Quick Repair first and follow the prompts. If the problem continues, perform an online repair, which is more thorough and can fix corrupted files or settings. Finally, if none of these solutions work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Microsoft Office. This ensures a fresh installation free of corrupted files or settings. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the Microsoft Word has run into an error problem and get your application back to normal operation. These methods help prevent loss of work and improve the stability of your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.